Hey everybody, and today I'm gonna be filling up my screen wash for the windscreen. It's not an hard thing to do, but because if you've never done one before, it can feel a little bit daunting. Like, what do we do? Hopefully I'll explain it clear for you. The screen wash I'm used today is from Shell. It says all season screen wash. It can use up to minus 11 degrees centigrade on it. In summer, obviously, with the all season one, you can dilute it down. But if you're going to get one from, say, Amazon, I'll put a link below for Amazon ones. You can get, I'll put a couple of varieties. You can get some that are, I think there might be summer screen wash and winter screen wash ones, but this is for all seasons. So I'll do that in a few minutes. I'm going to use a plastic jug to dilute the stuff down at the same time. And like I say, if you're going to use a winter one, just make sure it's quite a good one. It's not going to say like -2, because in winter in the UK you're going to get up to -10-20 degrees depending on whereabouts you are in the country. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get the bonnet open. There we go, and we'll get filming outside and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is where my screen wash is kept. It's got a picture of a windscreen on it, and most cars have a maximum minimum, and I've got a jug of water that I'm going to use, and I've got my windscreen wash. Now, according to this, it says for the windscreen, 2 parts, 2/3 of it for winter, and for the summer dilute it down. So I'm just going to put a bit of this in, and if you're worried about it's in an awkward place that you can't get to, set the lid off, then you could use a funnel, which are not very dear. See, it's pretty easy to put in. Just pouring it in now, and then I'll get some water. Dead easy, gently pour it in. There you go, straight to the top. Filled it back up, and make sure you push the lid down firmly, otherwise there's a risk that the water is going to come leaking out. So that's a quick one then on using the screen wash, filling it up. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give it a like. If you're new to the channel, click on subscribe. If you want to check out the links below, there's a couple of Amazon links there for screen wash. Remember, in summer it can be a bit more diluted, in winter less diluted, so it doesn't ice up the pipes. Take care, safe driving.